Hello friends, today I am going to introduce difference between Royal Enfield Classic 350 versus Royal Enfield Bullet Standard 350 comparison. On-road price in Delhi 1.44 lakh for Classic 350, 1.35 lakh standard model. Engine cc both are same, number of cylinder, maximum power, maximum torque, valves per cylinder, fuel delivery, cooling system, starting mechanism, all same, but there is little difference. Classics 350 have self start, standard have only kick start only. Fuel tank capacity 13.5 liter, both are same. Reserve fuel capacity 2.5 liter. 45 kilometer per mileage, both are same. And cargo weight 192 kg Classics 350 and standard model 183 kg. Length, width also different. Height 1090 mm, less than standard size 30 mm, less than standard size. Standard model. Wheelbase, ground clearance, seat height, number of gear, all same. Chassis and suspension, chassis type, front suspension, rear suspension, braking system. 350 have disc brake, front disc brake, rear drum brake. And standard have both are drum. And wheel also different. Classics 350 have rear big tire. And battery standard features, fuel, pinion gear wheel, engine kill switch, pass light, all same. Thank you for watching video.